Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q5 windshield wipers. Full guide. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks, then remove the old blade by depressing the release tab and sliding it off carefully. Inspect the arm and pivot for corrosion or damage, clean the windshield and contact area, and prepare the new blade for installation by aligning the adapter with the hook. With the arm supported, press the blade release tab and gently slide the worn blade away from the hook until it detaches. Avoid letting the arm snap back onto the glass to prevent chips or cracks. Check the removed blade to confirm the adapter style so the replacement will fit, and wipe any dirt or grime from the arm and pivot before fitting the new blade for a clean installation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car care videos. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and extra deals. It's fun to have music while you tinker. Thanks for watching this short break. Now let's get back to the video. Orient the new blade so the adapter matches the factory hook, then slide it into place until you hear a secure click. Carefully lower the wiper arm to the windshield, ensuring the blade sits flush and even along the glass. Turn on the wipers with washer fluid to check sweep coverage and listen for unusual noises, then recheck tightness at the adapter and pivot for a safe, reliable result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.